burning the post.
Those posts don't burn very easily.
Why are people slowing down? Let's just get out.
You want to stop here?
No.
Oh, they're filming it. We got some more water coming in. Burn down the sign. I don't think there's anybody after this black truck. They're holding everybody up.
We are stopped at a Chevron in this little town that apparently have like a play shoot off or something, or shootout. It's like so Western themed little town that's really cute, but we got to keep on moving. We are almost at, not almost, but like 2 hours away from our destination for tonight. And I'm just hoping that we arrive when it's a little bit late, because it's just a little bit better when it's setting up instead of in the dark. You're actually setting up with some daylight. So this is where we stayed last night. We camped over there in that lot. It's like a gravel lot. That's where we were able to sleep peacefully for the most part. Oh, thank you. Outside of Salt Lake City, and look at the mountain with the clouds, the snow, all the things. Oh, the Starbucks. I'm like looking at the books and everybody's over there looking at all of the clothing. I guess I should be over there too, but it doesn't have it in me. I might dig a little bit.